Hi, this is the code for rock paper scissors game. So I made a code which simulates the rock paper scissors game. Let's see the code. So it has different methods. As you can, this is not the main method. So let's start from the main method first. So main method is here, which starts with a variable int, which has a variable result, which will store the result. Then player 1 and player 2 both are character, and for initializing it, I'm just initializing it x. So x means right now there is nothing in it. So then it's a print statement which is calling off for a welcome line. Then there's a for loop which goes from I0 to 3. 0 less than 3. For less than 3 means that it will run 3 times. So this means the game will have 3 attempts, or 3 different sessions, you can say. Uh, So first time it will say a print statement, a line in the game. So it will print out the game 1 or game 0, start from 0, game 0. Then it will call the method user input. As you can see, it will take the player 1 and player 2, these two variables. So let's go to user input. User input is a method which is just taking the input from the user. It will take two character type variables, player 1 and player 2, car types. So it will use the scanner, and an object scan is made, and this scan will take the input from the user. So it will ask first the user player 1 to please enter either R for rock, P for paper, or S for scissors. Player 1, whatever player 1 scan dot next dot x will take the next, whatever the input from the user is, but it will take as a string. So we don't need the string because player 1 is a character car type. So we say next dot character at 0 means that the first character, and user is already should input only R, P, or S. So it will input one character, and that character from becomes from string to car, and it will store into player 1. Same is going to be for player 2, and then it will return. As you can see, this method is return type is int. So it will return the in the return statement is also again calling another method which is called decider, and it will take the input both car type player 1 and player 2. Let's go and see what decider is doing. Decider is a method which decide who is the winner of the current game. So it takes takes input of two variables, both of car type, player 1 choice and player 2 choice, and it will return an int. So it will see if the player 1 choice is same as player 2 choice, no one is the winner, and this means the game is tied. If player 1 choice is R and player 2 choice is S, means that player 1 wins, and it will return the whatever the value at the end of winner is. It will return that integer. So you'll see it that integer, whichever is coming from here, the same integer will be returned by this here, this method user input. And now it will, after we we got the result, means result mean who was the winner, will have to print the result, and we have made another method to print the result. Print result will just take the input of integer, and there's a small switch case which based on the condition is result. If the case is 0 means nobody is a winner, so it will print that game is tied, no winner. If case 1 means system, it will print that player 1 wins the game, and if same as if case 2, player 2 wins the game, and that's it. We don't need a default case here, and it will print the result, and that's it. And it will go for this next game, second game, and it will run the same. Let's just run and see how it runs. You can see that. Okay, yeah. So I've already compiled it, so I'm just running it right now. sorry, no, it's not here. So and key class here. So that's our turn. First time it says that welcome, then it says game 0, player 1, please enter your choice. Let's say I say R and enter, and now player 2 choice, also again R, so means game is tied, no winner. Now game 1, which is actually game 2, let's say I'll say P for paper and S for scissors, means player 2 wins. And now if I say scissors and paper, player 1 wins, and that's it. And I could have used goodbye or something like that, or I could have even made a method to store the total results, and but that's it. And you could have you can make as a enhancement, you can make another method which can store the all the total results, and at the end of 3 games it can say that player 1 won, or player 2 won, or nobody won. So player 1 won 2 games, or player 2 win 1 game, or something like that. So you can store the total score. So that's it. Hopefully it helped. Thank you.